Is it the right time to buy or sell Pfizer stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into Pfizer. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, December 22, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. You can tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 5, 2023, our system has identified Pfizer as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.58. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -2.37%. This means that, on average, the stock has been losing about -0.17% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This can present a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $28.97, it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially signify a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -16.90% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between -25.19% and -15.23%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a predicted -34.71% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between -40.92% and -22.20%. This would result in a price range of $16.78 to $22.09 after 1 year. Our latest update on Pfizer's stock price reveals that it ended at $28.40 on Friday, experiencing a gain of 0.318%. On the last trading day, Friday, December 22, 2023, Pfizer's stock price rose from $28.31 to $28.40, representing a gain of 0.318%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $28.18 and a high of $28.79, showing a 2.16% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a decrease of 1.32% in the stock price. On the last day, the volume of shares traded fell by 14 million, with a total of 35 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $992.61 million. It's important to note that a decline in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Pfizer's stock was $51.95, while the lowest price was $25.76. Currently, the stock price is 45.33%, equivalent to $23.55, below the 52-week high, and 53.98%, equivalent to $33.31, below the all-time high on December 20, 2021, when the price reached $61.71. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Barclays gave Pfizer a grade of equal weight with a recommended action to hold. On Monday, November 27, 2023, Morgan Stanley also gave Pfizer an equal weight grade with a recommended action to hold. Similarly, on Wednesday, November 1, 2023, both Barclays and Morgan Stanley gave Pfizer an equal weight grade with a recommended action to hold. Furthermore, on Monday, October 16, 2023, Goldman Sachs provided Pfizer with a positive grade and a recommended action to hold. Analysts have given Pfizer stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Pfizer stock. The Pfizer stock has some mixed signals. In the short term, the moving average suggests a buy signal. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This means the stock has a more negative forecast overall. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $29.23. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $27.47. If the stock breaks above the long-term average, it will give another buy signal. Conversely, if it falls below the short-term average, it will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Notably, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, December 14, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 8.69%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to keep a close eye on the stock as volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign. Hence, the stock should be closely monitored. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average shows a buy signal from 18 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 238 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal from 229 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today we will be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Pfizer. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $26.66 and $26.63. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the current support level is broken, the stock may potentially fall to the next support level. In this case, if $26.66 is broken, the next support level will be at $26.63 and $26.13. Moving on to risk assessment. Pfizer is known for having average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $0.610 between its high and low, which represents a 2.16% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.46%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Pfizer, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key measure is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or an undervalued stock, which could present a buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.160. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's now explore some potential day trading levels for Pfizer. If Pfizer experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $28.91. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding Pfizer stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Pfizer encounters its initial support level at $26.66. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Pfizer has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On December 15, 2023, de Germay Alexander purchased 0 shares. On December 15, 2023, Dolston Michael purchased 37,552 shares of phantom stock units. On December 15, 2023, Burla Albert purchased 20 shares of Phantom Stock Units SSP. On December 15, 2023, Burla Albert purchased 375,516 shares of Phantom Stock Units SSP. On December 15, 2023, Lenkler Douglas M. purchased 37,644 shares of Phantom Stock Units SSP. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be positive with a ratio of 388.732. Overall, insiders have purchased 660,791 shares and sold 16,223 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and we haven't set a stop loss. Is Pfizer stock a good investment? Currently, Pfizer has several negative signals, leading us to believe that it may perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. When trading resumes on Tuesday, December 26, we expect Pfizer to open at $28.46, which is a gain of $0.0567. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please leave a comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading updates. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.